Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. As we have discussed in the previous video about block level elements and text level element. So let's see some example of block level element and text level element. So firstly, I will tell you about the headings. HTML provides 6 levels of heading: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 is the highest level of heading and H6 is the smallest level of heading. So how we can write heading in our web page? Let's start it. So firstly we will write the HTML tag because we are starting our HTML program. It will tell to the web browser we are making web page. After that, head tag. Head is the header section that basically contain the title tag. So I'm giving here one heading on my web page. I have written heading because I want to write heading in the title bar of web page. So that's why I have written inside the title tag. And then I have closed the title tag and head tag also. These are optional. If you want to write a message on the title bar of web page, then we can write the title tag. Otherwise, we can directly start from the body tag. This is the basic structure of HTML program. So I want to give one main heading, first level heading H1. I have written one message. HTML is used to design web pages. So after that, I have closed the H1 tag. And same, I am copying it and pasting it 5 times so that I can save the time. For the second line, I want second level heading. So I have started the H2 tag. And after that, I have closed the H2 tag. Same like that. Here I am giving third level of heading. And here I have stopped the third heading. Here I am giving fourth level of heading so that I am taking all the headings so that I can tell you the difference between all. So H1 is the largest level of heading and H2 is the smaller than H1. Same like that, H3 is smaller than H2, H4 is smaller than H3, like that. And H6 is the lowest level of heading. So I am taking here all the headings from H1 to H6. And the last one, this one is H6. So I have taken all 6 headings. After that, close the body tag. And now I am closing the HTML tag because my program is over. So I'm saving the file by pressing Ctrl plus S. Give any name like I am giving here name heading.html. I'm saving it on my desktop. This file already exists, so I am giving the another name. I don't want to replace. So I am giving here heading 1. Save. As you know, you can directly double click from the location, or we can open the browser and then open our web page. So you can see here this one. This one is heading 1, my web page. So double click on it. When we will open our web page, you will find one message will display on the title bar, that is heading. and you can see 6 levels of heading will display. So you can see here on the title bar it is showing, heading. I'm opening it again. Just double click on your file. One message will display at the title bar, and you can see 6 levels of heading will display. H1 is the first level of heading, H2 is the second level, third level, fourth level, like that you can open it. So just double click on it, or either you can open the browser, any browser, Firefox, Google Chrome, whatever. Then that file will be opened. So now you can see on the screen. See, this is the location of the file, and the title bar you can see here, heading is displaying here because I have written this one under the title tag, and you can see here this is the first heading and next one is the second heading, like that you can see on the screen. This first line I have written under the H1 tag and the next one under the H2 tag, like that. H6, this one, the last one, you can see that is very small because it is the lowest level of heading. Clear? And you can see every heading is displaying in the another line. Why? Because it is a block level element, and as I have already told you, block level element automatically comes under the next line, automatically it will start the new line. So H1 to H6, all the heading tags will come under the block level elements. So the next one is paragraph. If I want to make a paragraph, we will use P tag. If we want to make a paragraph, we will use the P tag. And P is also a block level element, means automatically the next paragraph will start from the next line. So let's see. So I have written HTML and directly I'm starting from the body. If you don't want to write it, the title and head, you can write it. I'm making here one paragraph. So whatever you want to write, you just write it here as a paragraph. I'm writing it. HTML is used to design web pages. The extension of HTML is HTML program is .htm, or you can say .html. So I'm just copying it and pasting it here. So like that we can make the paragraph, and after completing the paragraph we will close the tag. P tag can come under the empty tag and container tag. If you don't want to close another paragraph, automatically it will start from the next line only. So then just close the body tag and then HTML tag. So now I am saving my file. I am giving here the name, and after that give the extension .html. It is already existing, so I don't want to change it. So I'm changing the name here. P2. Save your file. So I have made one paragraph. So you just look at here. When you will open this file P2, our web page, then you can